Today we're going to talk about ABB's new AF contactor line. I've constructed a demo which consists of Rockwell's 100C product and Eaton's XTCE product. I have 3 pilot lights dropped across the contactors to simulate that of a load. We have a variac, a voltage display with a 1-to-1 ratio, so currently there's 1 volt of potential across all 3 of the coils. We're going to go ahead and start to increase the voltage here. You'll notice a very discrete function with the ABB contactor. It's either on or off, very consistent, predictable operation. We're starting to hear some chattering and humming taking place in the Rockwell and Eaton product. So how ABB was able to achieve what they did with this product is they have an electronically regulated coil inside of this product. So how a contactor works is there's typically a ferrule device inside and there's an electromagnet. And when the electromagnet establishes an electromagnetic field that's strong enough to overcome the spring, the contacts are engaged. These 2 devices, the Rockwell and Eaton's, do not have an electronically regulated circuit inside. So therefore the electromagnetic field that's established is relative to the voltage across the coils. With the electronically regulated circuit, that electromagnetic field is always very predictable and consistent in its operation. Some other unique benefits with the ABB contactor is ABB was able to reduce energy consumption in this product by up to 80%. Which allows for smaller power supplies and control power transformers. They also were able to reduce the coil part numbers and the amount of them with this product. There's currently, I think a half dozen, maybe a dozen for each of these products, to whereas ABB's got 3 real main coil part numbers. One of the part numbers goes from 24 volts to 60 volts, that's AC or DC. Another one that goes from 48 volts to 130 volts AC or DC. And then they have another one that goes from 100 to 250 volts AC or DC. They do have solutions that go up to the 500 volt range, so if you're in need of those, they definitely do have those, just not quite as common. So if this demo is of interest and this product's of interest, if you'd like to see the demo or witness it in person, go ahead and contact your account manager. We'd be more than happy to come on out and display this demo in person.